Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and if you are a professional looking for an ultra high definition monitor, look no further. This is the Acer 28-inch 4K monitor. So as I said before, it is Ultra HD, and I got it because I read a lot of documents and emails in my work. And you would not believe the difference that the screen quality makes to being able to read clearly and without strain. Now, this is a high quality, heavy duty monitor. It is very well supported, and because it's made so well, this monitor will last me a long time. I've had it since 2020, so I have had a long time to test its quality, and as you can see, I have two of them, so I am very happy. So now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.